using Microsoft Edge, let me show you how to change the location where your files are downloaded, right? So for this, I'll click the three dots settings icon and then choose settings, and then from the left bar I choose downloads. Now when I come here, I can either change the location here. Right now it's set to see my folder and downloads. I can click here and then change it and select another folder. So each time I download a file, it goes directly to that folder. Now what if I want to choose which folder I save my downloaded files to each time I download? That's when the second option comes into picture. So ask me what to do with each download, toggle that on. Now every time you download a file, the Windows file browser pop-up comes up. You choose a folder and give a name if you want to, like, change the name of the file that you're downloading, and then save, and then it saves saves the downloaded file to the location that you choose each time. So yeah, that's how you change it. I hope you found this useful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.